Hey, Miss Paula.
Oh my gosh, James. I've been in here waiting. In fact, I was fixing to do a job that I was gonna give to you.
Well, honey, my ears were burning, and I've got a little
How
farmer
are you?
for your table,
Y'all,
hon.
this is James
See you,
Farmer.
girl. Mwah.
So
Good to see you.
see you.
Honey, glad to be
You
here.
still look great.
Well, I brought a little bit of things from the garden.
Rosemary tree.
My favorite.
And you brought more books.
I brought some more books.
Well, the first thing I was gonna get started on was a sesame onion marinated flank
Yum,
steak.
yum.
And then I thought we could slice it up and make lettuce wraps.
Love it.
All right, so let's come on down here. And what I'd like for you to do is zest 1 lime
All
for
right.
me. And I need the juice of 1 lime.
Yes, ma'am.
And while you're doing that, I'm gonna chop these onions. And I'm probably, you know, in a marinade, there's no
real measurements.
No,
You know, you just throw
no.
it in there and see how it comes together.
Right. So tell me what you've been up to since I saw you last.
Well, you know, these wild book tours that I've been on, they've taken
Oh, my
me
gosh.
here and there, but you know what I love? No matter where I go, people want to know about food, and they want to know about Mimi, my grandmother. They want to know about the family and what I've got growing in my garden. So, honey, I just tell them.
All right, tell me about your Mimi.
Mimi is just one of my favorite people in the whole world.
As a Mimi is supposed to
Absolutely. Well, Mimi told me that we eat with our eyes first. And so no matter what we do, we've got to make it pretty.
be. Now, I'm going to just put my onion over in here.
Yes, ma'am.
Then I'm going to measure out 5 tablespoons of soy sauce.
Perfect.
3 teaspoons
All right.
of the rice vinegar. 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, about a half
Got
a
it.
teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 2 teaspoons of the sesame oil, and a tablespoon of garlic.
All right. Let me whisk that up for you.
Please, please.
All right.
And we're gonna take our steak and we're gonna put it in a little baggie.
All right.
And this is just a little flank steak.
Now, you know I grew up on a cattle farm, so steak's close to home.
Did you?
I did, in Hawkinsville. We even had a buffalo. His name was Marvin. He would get out and he'd walk into our swimming pool. All right, so you want about half of this in
About
here?
half of it.
All right, is that good?
That's good.
All right, perfect.
Because we're gonna save the rest of that for dipping sauce.
Good stuff.
You know, and I like to kind of turn mine,
Oh, yeah.
James. I'm in, honey.
All right, it's time for our flake steak.
All right, I think that it's time to get this. You want to stick
This
that
is in the sink?
Yes.
All right.
Now, we're probably gonna have a lot of smoke here, y'all, because remember, we marinated this in brown sugar.
Brown sugar, there's some oil in there, so.
Yeah. Yum!
Yum, yum, yum.
There's the smoke, I promised
There
you.
it is. I love it.
Now, remember, we're gonna slice this on the bias, and we're gonna make wonderful lettuce wraps out of this. This is our flank steak.
Beautiful.
And I'm gonna start putting together some of our lettuce wraps, y'all.
It's pretty.
I have carrots. I've got some bean sprouts. I've got some water chestnuts for a crunch. I've got some green onion. All right, now remember that marinade that we had for our flank steak?
We reserved some.
We reserved half.
Perfect.
So I used that to just drizzle over our lettuce wraps.
Miss Paula, this is garden to table
It
right here.
absolutely is.
Look at that.
Have one.
I'll have one, my dear.
I will have one.
Miss Paula, it's so fresh.
I love the soy sauce.
And you know, I think if you'd put it on bread, you'd have lost some of that essence.
You would
That
have.
lettuce wrap is so fresh and delicious. Yum. Thank you.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.